Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best way to receive online sales payments via Cash App. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, the best way to receive online sales payment via Cash App is to create a clear and trustworthy payment process for customers. Display your cash tag prominently on your website, your social media pages, or checkout instructions so that buyers know exactly where to send payments. Always confirm that funds appear in your Cash App balance before processing or shipping any order. Use payment notes to reference order numbers or product names for easy tracking. You also want to set clear refunds and delivery policies just to reduce disputes. Also avoid accepting payments from suspicious or mismatched names, as this can raise red flags. A transparent system ensures smooth transaction. It also protects your account and of course builds customer confidence. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.